my dear students. Today we will start GK book. Okay, so this is your GK book. Take out your GK book. Now come to page number 5, that is chapter 1. This one. In this chapter you have to write about yourself, that is introduction. Now suppose this is my book. So if I have to write here about myself, what shall I write? First I will introduce myself, like my name is Pritha Chakraborty. I am a girl. My birthday is on 17th March. I study in class 1. I love to eat pizza. My favorite color is yellow. My best friend is Rashmi. I love my parents. My father name is Mr. Dipankar Chakraborty and my mother name is Mrs. Konika Chakraborty. I have no brothers. As I have no brothers, that's why I have written no. Then I have one sister. You can call me at my phone number. You have to write your phone number. So after that, last point is you can visit me. You have to write your home address. Suppose you if this is your book, so you have to write it about yourself, your name. If you are a girl or a boy, if you are a girl, write girl. If you are a boy, write boy. Your birthday, your date of birth. Okay, then which class you were studying, that write the class. Then what things, what food you love to eat, write that food name. Then your favorite color, then your best friend name. Then we all love our parents, right? You also love your parents. So first you have to, in the first blank you have to write your father's name, and then in the second blank you have to write your mother's name. After that, if you have brother or brothers, more than, if you have one brother, then write 1. If you have more than one brothers, then write that number. Okay, and if you have no brother, then write no. And then if you have one sister, then write 1. If you have more than one sister, then write that number. Or if you have no sister, then write no. Some of you have no brother, no sister, they can write both. In both the blanks they can write no. Okay, after that what you have to write here, you have to write your phone number. You don't have phone, right? So you can write your father's phone number and mother's phone number. Then you have to write here in this box, you can visit me at. In this box you can write your home address. And look here, there is one box. In this box you have to paste your own picture. Suppose this is my book, so I will paste my picture in this box, and in this box I will paste my family picture. Okay, so in your book paste your picture and your family picture. So this is chapter 1. Now come to chapter 2. What is chapter 2? My school. Now we are going to learn about our school. So first question is question A. I love going to school. We all love going to school, right? We learn many things at school, and after why we go to school? To learn so many things, right? Then here is the question is, fill in the blank space. There are first question is, the name of my school is. You have to write your school name. What is your school name? Bagdogra Sister Nivedita English School. So you have to write Bagdogra Sister Nivedita English School in this dash, okay, in this blanks. Then second question is, our principal name is. You have to write your principal surname. Okay, so what is his name? His name is Mr. Dilip Nandi. And third question is our class teacher name. Though our school has not opened till now, so we will not do this part, this third number question. When the school will open, we will do this question. Okay, so now look at the board. I have written the answer. You can note it down. from here. Question number 1, your school name, Bagdogra Sister Nivedita English School. Question number 2, your question is our principal name. So you have to write the name of your principal, that is Mr. Dilip Nandi. Then after that, question number B is many people work in the school. Every person has a special job. Draw lines to match the following people with their job. So in a school there are so many people who are working different things, work on different things. So we have to find out those, we have to match those people with their works. Just like first question is, number 1 is the principal. What is the work of a principal? Number 1 is, answer is C. What is written in C? Is the head of the school. So principal is the head of our school. Number 2, the teacher. So what is the work of a teacher? From this side we have to match. We have to match this side from this side. Okay. So the teacher's work is help us to learn. Question number 2, answer is E. I have written E here. Now question number 3, the librarian. What is the work of a librarian? Looks after the library. So 3 answer is A. Look, I have written 3A. Question number 3, answer is A. So draw a line from 3 to A. Now question number 4, the sweeper. What is the work of a sweeper? Number F, keeps the school clean. So the work of a sweeper is keeps the school clean. So draw a line from here to here. Now number 5 is the gardener. What is the work of a gardener? Looks after the garden. So draw a line from 5 to B. So B is the answer. Now 6, the peon. What is the work of a peon? Rings the bell. So draw a match this from 6 to D. You can write from here also. I have written all the answer. This is question number, this is answer number. Okay. So in this way you can match it. Now come to the next page. Next chapter, that is chapter 3. Now what is chapter 3? My family. So in our family we live with so many people. Some of you have a big family, some of you have a small family. In a big family there are so many people like grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt, cousin, father, mother, brother, sister, you, right? And in a small family there are a few people like father, mother and their children. So today we are going to learn more about our family and the relation with us. Okay. So the question is, identify the relationship from the clues given. So your father's and mother's sister. Your father's and mother's sister is our what? Your father's and mother's sister is your what? Is your aunt. Okay. Question number 2, your father's and mother's brother. Your father's and mother's brother is your uncle. Question number 3, your parents' child but not you. That means your father's and mother's have 2 child, but you and your brother or sister, whatever it is, that child, if you have brother or sister, they are called as siblings. Okay. So question number 3 is sibling. Question number 4, your uncle's son. Your uncle's son is your cousin. Number 5, your mother's father. Mother's father is your grandfather. Number 6, the woman who gave birth to you. She is your mother. Now turn the page, come to page number 4. Chapter 4, page number 8. Now in this page what we have to do, we have to play with the letters. The question is, write the first two letters of each word with the help of the picture. Can you see these pictures? There are so many pictures here. So we have to find out, we have to write the first two letters. We have to find out the letters, which picture, which name is written here, and we have to write down the first two letters from after looking these pictures. So first, number one is dash dash EPHANT, that means elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. Number two, dash dash NDOW, WINDOW, window. Number three, dash dash ILDREN, CHILDREN, children. Number four, dash dash ON, SPOON, spoon. Number five, dash dash OWER, FLOWER, flower. Number six, dash dash RAFFE, GIRAFFE, giraffe. Number seven, dash dash URTWN, FOURTWN, 14. Number eight, dash dash ATHER, FEATHER, feather. Number nine, dash dash INBOW, RAINBOW, rainbow. Number 10, dash dash WEL, WHEL, will. Okay, so in this way you have to complete this this word. Now come to the next page, that is page number 9, chapter 5. Now what are in this chapter we will write the doing words. Okay, so first question is, we dash water. So the doing word is, we have to find out this word from this chart and we have to put it here. Okay, so first question is, we dash water. So what we do with the water? We drink water. Number two, we dash food. We eat food. Number three, we dash in water. We swim in water. Number four, we dash at night. We sleep at night. Number five, we dash games. We play games. Number six, we dash books. We read books. Number seven, we dash on chairs. We sit on chairs. Number eight, we dash to music. We listen to music. Number 9, we dash bicycles. We ride bicycles. Number 10, we dash flowers. We smell flowers. So write this thing in your book. Now turn the page. Come to our next chapter, that is pairing game. Now we have to pair this word from we have to pair this word. Okay, so first question is, some words can be used in pairs. Complete the following pairing with suitable words. So for number 1 is lock. So what is the pair of a lock? Key. Lock is written there, you have to write key in the blank. Number 2, dash and saucer, you have to write cup. Number 3, chair and dash, answer is table. Number 4, dash and ball, answer is bat and ball. Number 5, needle and dash, answer is thread. Number 6, dash and steady, answer is ready. Number 7, soft and dash, answer is hard. Number 8, hand and dash, answer is leg. Number 9, bread and dash, answer is butter. Number 10, knife and dash, answer is fork. Okay, so write this all in your book. You can also check our school website, that is www.bsnes.in. Here you will get the PDF of this all chapters. Okay, now we will do chapter 7, that is in page number 11. Okay, in chapter 7 the topic is good manners. So what is written here? Good manners and good habits make you a better person. Draw smiley for correct action and a happy face for a correct action, and draw a sad face for a wrong one. Now first one is push the person in front of you standing in a queue. So when you are standing in a line, so who is standing in front of you, shall we push them? Is it a good manner or a bad manner? It is a bad manner, right? So what we have to do, we have to draw two eyes and a sad face in the circle like this. Okay, now after that, second question is cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze. When we sneeze or cough, on that time we should cover our mouth. So this is a good habit. So we have to make a smiley face, happy face. Okay, now question number 3, this one. Chew your food with your mouth open. When we are eating something, we should chew that food when with our mouth open. No, that is a bad manner. So we have to draw the sad face. Now what she is doing, throw all the wrappers and waste in the bin. Whatever the garbage we have or wrappers we have to throw that in the bin. Okay, so it is a good manner. So that's why we have to make a happy face. Now come to chapter 8, page number 12, good habits. Now here what you have to do, take the good habits and cross the bad one. We have to read the question, and if it is a good habit we have to put tick mark, and if it is bad habit then we have to put cross mark. Now first question is brush your teeth twice a day. It is a good habit, so you have to put tick mark. Second, washing your hands before every meal. It is also a good habit, that's why we have to put tick. Number 3, biting your finger or nail. We should bite our finger and nails. No, that is a bad habit. That's why we have to put cross. Now phone number, not wasting your food. We should waste our food. No, that's a bad habit, right? So put tick mark. Now question number 5, having a bath every day. We should take bath every day, right? So that is a good habit. Put tick mark. Number 6, watching TV for a long time. We should watch TV for a long time. No. So this is a bad habit, right? Put cross mark. Then number 7, eating a proper breakfast every day. We should take proper breakfast every day, right? So put a tick mark. Number 8, going to sleep late at night. So we should sleep late at night. No, that is a bad habit. So we have to put cross. Putting your hands out of the bus window. So we should put our hands out from the bus window. No. So we should so put cross mark. Okay. Number 10, writing on the wall. We should write on the wall. No, that is a bad habit. So give cross here in number 10. Now turn the page, come to the next page, that is page number 13, chapter 9. Now here what you have to do, we have to use some magical words. So choose the right magical words given in the box. From this box we have to choose the magical words for these pictures. Now first one, what she is doing, when we sneeze we should say what? We should say excuse me. Number 2, when you ask your friend for something, when we ask our friends to give something, then we should say please. Number 3, when someone says thank you to you, so when anyone says thank you to you, you should say you are welcome. Number 4, you accidentally step on your friend's shoes. When you accidentally step on others' shoes, so on that time what you have to say? Sorry. Number 5, when your mother gives you a glass of milk, when your mother gives you a glass of milk or water, what you have to say? Thank you. Okay, so these 5 are magical words. Now turn the page. Come to page number 14, that is chapter 10. Now the topic is be safe. Look at the picture below. There are things you should do and things you should not do. Tick those you should do and cross those you should not do. So here are some pictures and some sentences are written under those pictures. So what we have to do? We have to put tick on those pictures which we should do, and we have to put cross on those pictures we should not do. So first one, what she is doing? Playing with the sharp thing. She is playing with the knife. So we should do these things? No. So put cross. Number 2 is she is using what? Zebra crossing, right? For crossing the road. Use zebra crossing while crossing the road. So it is a good habit, right? We should do this. So tick right. Third, throw garbage on the road. We should throw garbage on the road? No. So put cross. Number 4, children caring for the aged. We should take care of the aged old people, right? So tick right. Now try to get on or get down from a moving bus. When the bus is moving, on that time we should get on or get down from that moving bus. No. So put cross. Stop anyone who is beating a dog. When anyone is beating a dog or cat or any other animals or birds, we should stop them. So that's a good habit. So tick right. Number this one. 7 number. Stop anyone from cutting trees. When anyone is cutting the trees, so on that time we should stop them, right? So put the tick mark. Then play on the roads. The boy is playing on the road. We should play on the road? No. So put cross mark. The last one, play with a matchbox. He is playing with a matchbox. We should play with a matchbox? No. So that's why put a cross mark. So now come to the next chapter, that is chapter 11. Topic is vegetable. Now what we have to do? You know what vegetables are. So we all know what vegetables are. Vegetables generally need cooking before they can be eaten. We eat vegetables after cooking them. Okay. Some of them grow underground and above the ground. Some vegetables grow under the ground and some vegetables grow above the ground. Identify the vegetables and write their names. So we have to identify the vegetables, which vegetables is among these pictures. We have to find out what is the name of those vegetables, and we have to write their names. Also put U for vegetables that grow under the ground and A for vegetables that above the ground. And also we have to put U or A, U for those vegetables which grow under the ground and A for those vegetables which grow above the ground. Okay. So first one is what? Which picture is this? Which vegetable is this? This is onion. So write onion in this dash, and in this box you have to write U because it grows under the ground. Now second is brinjal, or you can say eggplant. Brinjal or eggplant. So in this box you have to write A because it grows above the ground. Now third one is potato, and in the box write U. Potato, U. Number 4, carrot. Carrot, and in the box you have to write U. Number 5 is lady's finger. What is this? Lady's finger. So write lady's finger, then in the box write A. Number 6 is, what is this? Peas. So write peas and in the box A. Number 7, cucumber. So this is a picture of a cucumber. Write cucumber, then in the box write A. And what is this? Which vegetable is this? This is a cauliflower. So write cauliflower and in the box write A. And which vegetable is this? This is a cabbage. So write cabbage and in the box write A. Now turn the page. Come to the next page. That is page number 16, chapter 12. topic is fruits. So there are some fruits, picture of some fruits, you have to write their names. Name the fruits given in the picture. Okay, so which fruit is this? This is a mango. So write number 1 is mango, number 2 is banana, number 3 is pomegranate. Okay, number 4, which picture is this? Watermelon. Right, number 4 watermelon. Number 5, which fruit is this? This is lychee. Number 6, which fruit is this? This is grapes. Number 7, which fruit is this? This is pineapple. Number 8, which fruit is this? This is oranges, or you can write orange. Number 9, which fruit is this? This is apple. Okay, so you will get this all answers in our school website, that is www.bsns.in. If you open this link, you will get the PDF of this chapters, and on that PDF all the answers are written. Download it and do it in your home. So for today, this much. Thank you.